In this video, I will show you how you can make some cool dollars online. Cool dollars. Not be dollar will go change your life, but cool dollars online. Just relax. But first, we got to introduce ourselves now. And on this channel, Nick Finance Nigeria, I take complex financial principles, those complex things where you know they understand. I break it into very simple, easy bits where we say any Nigerian will use and better their finance. In exchange, see, just go and subscribe. We started this channel 2 years plus ago and we don't reach 97k subscribers, 97,000 people. Thank you guys so much. And while you're at it, Happy New Year, my people. Go press the like button. Make it a habit on this channel to like my videos. It's your gift to me. Like the video. And finally, don't fall for spammers. Those people that take my pictures and say them be Nick. They're not Nick. Now the real Nick be this. Any other one are fake. Not answer them. All right. Now guys, more just enter computer. Make I just show you the website. Okay guys, like I said, 97k people. Thank you guys very much for subscribing. Share this channel with people. More reach 100k, and once we hit 100k, I will do a giveaway. And before we jump in, shout out to IK. IK hailed me in my absence. It don't reach like 1 month since I upload. IK, I greet you. I hail you. Nice one. Guys, straight up, let's go to the website. The website I'm discussing today is Dataforce by Transperfect. Dataforce by Transperfect. One of the things people do is that when they want to do freelancing, they go just jump on any website, just they try search, they know they do due diligence, they know they research and well. That's why they don't make money. But on this channel, we are different. I do my research, and in fact, if you know any freelancing website where you say you want to make a check out, you want to make a research, drop it in the comment section now. Nick, please help me check out this one. If I get time, I go look them. What I do is I research these things very well, and I will show you the outcome of this particular website. So for this website, I went online and said, okay, is Dataforce by Transparent legit? Look at the first comment that came here. I used to work for them, bottom line, although not as a translator. Overall, great company, they are legit. But of course, you cannot rely on comments like this. Anybody will write anything. So I jumped on their Facebook page. Make I see details about them. Now their Facebook page be this. They have 4,000 followers, 3,200 likes. Now their details be this, so you know where you go fit drag them. They are an IT company. They are based in New York. You see the address for here. Their number they here. Their email they here. Their community they here, and they have a 5-star rating, which from 8 reviews. They get different video uploads of people here. So now the first thing you guys do, whenever you want to do freelancing, check the source. Not go put your money for BB Bank. Don't go and lose money to anybody. Check the source. Do your due diligence. In fact, in addition to that, I decided to bid for a job, and I got a $50 job. Make a show now. So this is the email I got from them, you know. Hello Nick, thank you for your interest in our car audio collection US project. That time where I go vacation last year, I bidded for this job and I got the job. In fact, make I show now the details of this job. More go the Google site, open link, very transparent. I'll show you guys everything. So these are just the details of the project. I'll go explain on bottom line because I don't want to waste time. The bottom line is that I will just do some voice recording. I go do voice recording for them between some hours of the day. The entire job not go take me past, you know, how many minutes. I go just record my voice, record waiting, they will talk to make I record for them. And at the end of the day, after doing the recording for like 3 days, they go pay me $50 compensation through PayPal, gift card, check, or wire transfer. Thankfully, I get PayPal where they work. So I will get my payment of $50 on this website. And that one an example because I've been one sample them say that they even get jobs to offer. But away from me, let's go back to the website because it's not a teaching video where if you make money. Now, this is their website, all right? I go leave the link. You go see you go flash for screen, okay? Now, their website is this. You come first to this block here. This one will be say, apply for jobs and paid projects with Dataforce. You click, say you want to learn more. You want to learn more. Now, when you come here, you're going to see 2 options here. Data sourcing projects and short and long-term positions. I'll explain both. For their data sourcing project, now say you just want to do freelancing, which is what this video is about. I don't want to work for now. I just want to do freelancing, collect my money, waka. Then the second one is that you want to actually get a job with them so that you can get more like a longer term contract with them. Not be real contract per se, but just to get like a longer term job time with them. All right, those are the differences between those two. More check out the first one in more detail. So for this first one on a data sourcing project, if you click that link, you go see I'm here. What are the different? In fact, Nigeria number 1. So there's an OPL collection that is available to Kenyans, Nigerians, and Indians. Now the 3 countries. So if you did those 3 countries, you are entitled to do this job. Now, what do? From time to time, just save this website, save am somewhere for your browser. Maybe you pin am, for example, you pin the tab, save am for you, so that if they come here to refresh, because opportunities they come from time to time. So those people where they watch this video now, or they see the Nigeria here, lucky you. Maybe in another couple of weeks or months, this one people for don't come out everything. So another reason why you guys subscribe to this channel, we bring up to date information as much as we can. Not be financial advice, so I just say they share with you what they do. All right, guys. So what does this job entail? You they get spam emails for your box. Then they say submit 30 spam emails. 30 spam emails, and we go pay you money for doing that. We go pay you 80 cents for the 30 emails where they submit. What do I mean? More just see the detail because I don't want to waste too much time. Preview job. All right. So look at the job. Mona go read the details. Una see as we reach this point, go read the details. But the bottom line be say 30 spam mails, those emails where we say they're na corporate mails, people they send you promotions, some kind of things where you go categorize them as say spam. What are they trying to do? They are trying to help improve anti-spam and email filtering technology. So they want to see those mails where they show up as spam mail. I don't know what they do for the back end. I'm not an IT guy, but the bottom line is they're trying to sample, the spam mail senders and see how they can optimize the system. Now the 6 categories be this. More no waste time. Go read them. Unasabi read. But some constraints there, some challenge there. Challenge number 1, if you are less than 18 years old, you not fit do them. So now for 18 and above. Challenge number 2, like I talk, you guys dey Kenya, Nigeria or India. Now the amount be this 80 cents per accepted mail. So for those 30 mails, if they accept them, now $24 you get chicken. Now how then go pay you? Because this video guys complete. How then go pay you? For Nigerian and Kenyan residents, PayPal and gift card. On this channel, I don't do video on PayPal. Check the channel, scroll to the bottom. You go see for my earlier videos, I've been doing one video on how you can open a PayPal account. It did the channel. So now gift card or PayPal, but now PayPal me I like, make the money come. So that's about it. And that is not all, because from time to time, other freelance jobs might come up, so you have to keep checking the website. Now number 1 be that. Now number 2, short and long-term positions. I gas show now this one before I end this video very quickly. If I never like them, go like the video because I they give you value. All right, now this one is like a job type position, but guess what? Waiting sweet my belly pass for here be say I know say plenty jobs they here, plenty they here, but it sweet me say two Nigerians they among the recruitment team. If you scroll down to the bottom of the page, you go see them. So now here we did before, but I've been just scroll down, just go to the bottom. Number 1, you go see Ogechi, our sister here. She dey here, she be recruiter. Number 2, you go see Chigoziri Okeke, he dey here as well. So that tells you Nigeria is represented on this website. So if you want to say you don't want to do freelancing, you want to do some sort of a long term, you want to try get job for this company, that is another option that you have. So guys, now the first website that they give you now this year, as I research more, I keep on coming with newer ways to make money, and when I find them, I bring them directly to you. One reason why you guys subscribe to the channel, because now hot I they give them. I never even do my $50 job, and they can't show on my own, I feel do on our own. When I find others, I will bring it to you. So in the next video, I get 10 affiliate links, 10 affiliate marketing sites, 10 affiliate marketers. Where we say, if you use those websites, and Nigeria then they or Nigeria get access to them. If you guys want me to drop the video on the 10 affiliate links, leave in the comment section. Nick, drop the 10 affiliate links. But if you don't want that, and you say, Nick, take them systematically, you don't do one freelancing video, do another freelancing video, then drop that as well. Because what I cover on this channel is what? Freelancing, affiliate marketing, high ticket sales, and investments, stocks, and all those things. So this year, you go learn freelancing entire. You go learn. See this kind of website where I don't give you now. Other people go just tell you, say, do this, do that. Me, I go do the due diligence and show you the website. Freelancing, you go now go learn. Then high ticket sales, that one hard. But I still they drill, I still they dig, I still they research. I go find them, I go bring them to you free. Number 3, affiliate marketing. That thing we go do them together this year. And finally, investing. Nigerian stocks, US REITs, all those things. I go to research them because guess what? We guys make money. All right, guys. I go soon now for the next video. But before you go, make sure you share the video with person. The year just start. Help someone out there to learn these things that you are learning. Now, that's all I got for now for this video. I go soon now for the next one. Bye-bye.